Hi everyone, welcome to Travel World, it's Emily here. Today we are visiting Madrid, a city that is bursting with life, culture and child-friendly adventures. I am excited to share my 10 top spots for an unforgettable family trip to this vibrant Spanish city. From incredible zoos and museums to thrilling amusement parks and charming chocolaterias, Madrid has something for every little explorer. Get ready for some serious fun as we discover the magic that awaits families in the heart of Spain. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the adventures. Now let's get straight into our first amazing stop. First on our list is a place where you can come face to face with incredible creatures from all corners of the globe, the Madrid Zoo Aquarium. Imagine your little ones' faces lighting up as they encounter playful penguins, majestic lions, and those adorable red pandas. The Madrid Zoo Aquarium is home to over 6,000 animals representing over 500 different species. And it is not just about observing. The zoo offers fantastic interactive shows and educational exhibits that bring the animal kingdom to life. Your little adventurers can learn about conservation efforts and even get a chance to see some animal feedings. Make sure to check the schedule when you arrive so you do not miss out. This is one zoo experience your family will not soon forget. Our second destination is for all dinosaur fans as we step into the fascinating world of these amazing prehistoric creatures. At the Museo Nacional de Ciencias Naturales. This museum is a dream come true for any child who has ever been fascinated by these gigantic animals. Imagine their eyes widening as they come face to face with towering skeletons of dinosaurs like the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. The museum houses an impressive collection of fossils and the life-size dinosaur models are truly awe-inspiring. But it's not just about dinosaurs. The Museo Nacional de Ciencias Naturales offers a captivating journey through natural history, from the depths of the ocean to the vastness of space. From interactive exhibits to fascinating displays, there is something here to spark the curiosity of every young explorer. Get ready for a day filled with learning and discovery. Okay, thrill seekers, our third stop is for you because Parque de Atracciones de Madrid is next on our list. This amusement park is a classic for a reason, guys. We are talking roller coasters, water rides, and tons of attractions that will have your children screaming with joy. One of the coolest things about Parque de Atracciones is that it is divided into different themed zones. You can explore the Wild West, or go on a jungle adventure, or journey into a world of fantasy. It is like stepping into a different world with every corner you turn. It is so cool. And they also have sweet treats like churros and ice cream. You name it, they have got it. It is the perfect fuel for a day of non-stop fun. So, if your little adventurers are up for some adrenaline-pumping excitement, Parque de Atracciones de Madrid is the place to be. A quick tip, it can get pretty busy, especially during the peak season. Alright, for our fourth spot, strap yourselves in because we are about to take to the skies. Next up is the Teleférico de Madrid, aka the Madrid cable car. This is one of the most unique ways to see the city, and you guys know I love those incredible views. Imagine you're gliding through the air, the wind in your hair, and beneath you, Madrid sprawls out in all its glory. You can spot iconic landmarks like the Royal Palace and the Debod Temple from a whole new perspective. It is truly breathtaking. The teleférico ride itself is about 2.5 kilometers long, and it takes you from Parque del Oeste to Casa de Campo, which is another awesome park we will talk about later. The cabins are comfy and spacious, so there's plenty of room for the whole family to relax and soak in the scenery. This is honestly such a fun and memorable experience for children and adults alike. It is a chance to see Madrid from a different angle, snap some amazing photos, and just enjoy a moment of pure awe. For our 5th spot, we are calling all you animal lovers. Get ready for an adventure at Faunia, a unique wildlife park in Madrid that is like stepping into a different continent with every exhibit. This place is all about recreating natural habitats, so you can get up close and personal with animals from all over the world. We are talking penguins waddling in their icy domain, monkeys swinging through lush jungles, and even crocodiles basking in the sun. Faunia is divided into different themed areas, from the Amazon rainforest to the African savanna, and each one is more impressive than the last. But Faunia is not just about observing animals from afar. They have tons of interactive experiences, like feeding sessions and educational talks, where you can learn all about the amazing creatures that call this place home. So if your children are obsessed with animals and you are looking for a truly immersive experience, Faunia is an absolute must-do. Just be prepared to spend a good chunk of the day here, because there is so much to see and do. Now guys, our 6th destination is for art lovers. We are heading to a place that is not only for grown-ups. The Museo Nacional de Prado might sound intimidating, but it is an adventure waiting to happen for your little ones. This museum is home to some of the most iconic European artworks, and while your tiny tots might not appreciate the nuances of a Rembrandt, there is still plenty to capture their imaginations. Think about it, massive canvases bursting with colours, intricate details that tell stories without words. The Prado is like stepping into a storybook, and you never know what is going to spark your child's curiosity. Plus, the museum offers special family guides and activities geared toward younger visitors. These guides are designed to make the art accessible and engaging for kids, turning a regular museum visit into an exciting treasure hunt. They can follow along, answer questions, and maybe even discover their new favorite artist. Who knows? You might just be nurturing the next Picasso. So, do not shy away from the Prado just because you have children. Embrace the opportunity to expose them to the beauty of art. Let their imaginations run wild. And who knows? You might even find yourself enjoying it just as much as they do. Okay, we are going to take a break from the museums, and at 7 we are jumping headfirst into something utterly delicious. Get ready for Chocolateria San Ginés, a Madrid institution that has been serving up crispy, sugary churros since 1894. This place is a dream come true for anyone with a sweet tooth, especially the little ones. You step inside and the air is thick with the aroma of warm cinnamon and sugar. You order a plate of churros and they arrive, piled high, golden brown, and utterly irresistible. Then you dip them into the thick, rich hot chocolate, pure bliss. Believe me, the look on your children's faces when they take that first bite will be priceless. But Chocolateria San Ginés is more than just a sugar rush. It is an experience. The shop itself is steeped in history, with its old-world charm and bustling atmosphere. It is like taking a step back in time and your children will love soaking up the lively ambiance. So, make sure you add Chocolateria San Ginés to your Madrid itinerary. It is the perfect spot for a sweet treat, a little taste of history, and a whole lot of family fun. For our 8th spot, get ready for a day of pure childhood joy as we head to Warner Park Madrid, a theme park that is bursting with all your favorite cartoon characters. This place is like stepping right into a cartoon world, with vibrant themed areas, thrilling rides, and of course, meet and greets with the stars of the show. From Bugs Bunny to Batman, your children can fist pump their heroes and snap some memorable photos and create memories that will last a lifetime. But Warner Park is not just about character encounters, it is also about the rides too. You could be soaring through the air on a Superman roller coaster, or splashing down rapids with Tweety Bird, or even taking a spin on a Looney Tunes themed teacup ride. Each area of the park is designed to transport you to a different world, with immersive theming and attractions that cater to all ages. And hey parents, there's something for you too. Whether you want to conquer your fear on a heart-stopping ride, or simply relax and enjoy the colourful atmosphere, Warner Park has something for everyone. So, grab your superhero capes, practice your best cartoon voices, and get ready for a day of laughter, adventure, and unforgettable family fun. Number 9 on our list is an absolute must-visit for families with younger children, especially if your little ones love to play pretend. Micropolis is this incredible miniature city designed entirely for children to explore and experience different professions. I mean, how cool is that? Imagine this: your kids could be firefighters, doctors, journalists, even chefs, all in one afternoon. They get to try out different roles, learn new skills, and even earn money through their activities, which they can then spend at the Micropolis shops. Talk about a fun and educational experience. Micropolis is all about teaching kids about responsibility, teamwork, and real-world skills in a super engaging way. They even have their own mini government and economy. It is amazing to see the children really get into character and take their roles seriously. It is located in the Arroyomolinos municipality, just a short drive from Madrid city centre. Check their website for opening hours and ticket prices. This place is worth adding to your itinerary. Your little ones will be talking about it for ages. Okay guys, for our final must-visit spot, we are heading to a place that is fun for the whole family, even us big children. Cosmocaixa Madrid is an incredible science museum with interactive exhibits that will spark curiosity and wonder in visitors of all ages. Get ready for hands-on experiences that make learning about science absolutely fascinating. You can explore the human body, delve into the secrets of the rainforest, even experience a simulated earthquake. It is the kind of place where you can spend hours exploring and still feel like you have only scratched the surface. One of the coolest things about Cosmocaixa is that it caters to all age groups. They have a dedicated area called the Bubble Planet, designed specifically for younger children, where they can experiment with bubbles of all shapes and sizes. How fun does that sound? And the best part? Admission to the permanent exhibition is totally free. Yep, you heard that right. So, even if you are on a budget, you can still experience the wonder of Cosmocaixa. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to learn and play together as a family. Well, there you have it, everyone. Our top 10 child-friendly spots in Madrid that are guaranteed to create unforgettable memories for you and your little adventurers. From the wonders of the animal kingdom to thrilling amusement parks and captivating museums, Madrid has something for everyone in the family. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful in planning your family trip to Madrid. Please subscribe to Travel World. It is free, and click on the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our upcoming travel adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye from me, Emily. See you in the next video.